Hi YouTube. So this is gonna be an unboxing for Dooney and Bourke. I know there's a whole community out there who love the brand, and rightfully so. It is, you get your bang for your buck. I can't wait to show you. So there have been a lot of complaints on ordering from the actual website Dooney.com. People are saying that they're not getting their packages, that they're actually paying more for what the item costs, because they do Dooney Pay where you could do installments, and some people are paying full price for their item and then getting Dooney paid as well. Fortunately for me, I haven't had any of those problems, knock on wood. I'm so excited. So excited. All right, let's see. Guys, she's gorgeous. Get this paper out. There she is. So freaking excited. I'm just looking to see how smooth she is, and she's pretty darn smooth. It's a hit or miss with the Florentine leather. Sometimes they do come pebbly, sometimes they do come smooth. Luckily for me, this one is smooth. Some people like the pebbly, I don't. So this is the Buckley satchel. I've been wanting this bag for God knows when. All right. Just like, she feels great. I wonder if I got any stickers. No, I didn't get any stickers. I was hoping I would get stickers. Whatever. Put these scissors away from the purse. Actually. Wow, I wish I can explain how smooth this purse is. Look at those tassels. It's different from the, what's the one I have? The Clayton. Clayton. You just pull this so I can open the bag a bit. Oh wow, super roomy. It does come with the handles for if I ever want to use it like this for quick access. Let's get this in the bag, in the box. Doesn't smell as like I'm used to. I did pay $3.42. The bag is originally like $4.38. With everything, I paid $3.32. $3.72, sorry. The tassels. They got this suede underneath. So beautiful. Now, I haven't owned a natural color. I always go for black, so I'm pretty excited for fall to have my little fall bag. I'm so excited. So let me see if that's open all the way. That's open all the way. Here's the dust bag. Dooney. Dooney. People saying Gucci. I say Dooney. So much stuffing from all my purses that I don't even know what to do with. Here's the key hook. Oh, that's gunmetal. I like that. That's cute. Just wrapping out of the way. Kind of upset they didn't give me any stickers, okay? Gonna complain to them. Hey, I paid for like a $400 bag. Give me my stickers. It's gorgeous. That's the inside. It's huge. Let's see if I can fit my head. Yeah, I can fit my head, and I have a big cabeza, so that says a lot. I am so like, she's just stunning, 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 stunning. Fairly easy. I thought it was going to be stiff, but it's actually pretty smooth to close her. Close it back in. Let me see if I can get you. Go to my mirror real quick. That's her. Look how stunning. Gorgeous. Yeah. I'm really excited. I've heard great things about this purse, and you know, I will do a review on her and see how she's holding up and all that. So she does have like a little bit of these, but you can just rub them out with your finger. There's some markings on the bag, but that's okay. I love you. So cute. I was like, what the hell is that? It's just a thing. That's my baby. I'm so excited. Look how stunning. Stunning. She's kind of wrinkled at the bottom, but that's okay. I've heard these colors do patina. I'm excited. My first like non-black bag. My boyfriend bought me this. This is a dark blue. Oh, you can see it in the lighting. Gray. Black. I got this Coach one. What else do I have? Oh, here's the I one. I don't know if you remember my other unboxing. Great purse. I love it. I have Valentino. They're all black, as you can see. But I'm very excited to have my brown bag. Perfect for fall. So now I'm going to go and do my makeup and do my hair and get dressed because I got a new bag. Alright, guys. Well, weight. I kind of didn't want to say it, but I'll say it. I weighed myself this morning and it was 259.8. Yesterday I was 268. So maybe my scale is a little off. I don't know. But regardless, I gained like 40 pounds since February. What is that? 8 months almost? 7 months? I blame my boyfriend for feeding me every freaking 2 minutes, but it's okay. And I was talking to him about it. I told him how much I weigh. We keep no secrets. I was like, I'm so discouraged. I'm so upset at myself. And he's like, honestly, it's okay. He's like, it's okay. Just, you got to get back in the groove. You know, and he's right. So, oh wait, does this purse have little feet? Oh, it does have little feet. Yeah. Thank you for watching. If you're not yet subscribed,